What I'm going to do with her, let me see first. So I'm going to adjust the oxbow from this side, so maybe start from around here or there. Drop over this side. Pan around. Come around the front of it.
I honestly have it. I get a lot of massages and stuff, but I've never done that.
Drop the ear over here. Your eyes up here.
Yep.
That's what I want to finish on you.
Okay, I love it.
There you go. We're gonna need to do